Static Nick in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we here at another meet, alright? We back here at another meet, alright? And I ain't gonna lie, we in a different place, alright? Number one, we in a different place. And we got some good cars here, y'all. I done got a few already. So y'all gonna be seeing some different ones come to the channel. First of all, where are my manners? I wanna thank y'all so very much for getting me 100 views already on just in one day on my Honda Civic SI 300 horsepower races a Mustang. Thank y'all so much for that. That's a big achievement, all right? So, hey, I want to make sure, thank y'all so much. Y'all make sure y'all run up my Subaru WRX. It literally just came out, yeah, yesterday, all right? This video probably gonna be out on Wednesday, all right? So, like I said, we got some clean builds, y'all. We have some clean builds. Like, look, bro, this is slammed. This is slammed. That is slammed. But yeah, like I said, we got a few. Is Dante? Oh no, it's not Dante. We got a rose gold wrap Mustang. I'm gonna get him on the channel, y'all. I am. Alright. There was a truck. There was a truck that was around here. But yeah, yeah, there's just, we got all types of people rolling in. We got all types of people coming and going. If y'all, hey, so if y'all don't know, the dude that cut his hair at the meet last time is actually here. And as y'all didn't know, the body kit that I had was, this is his body kit, and this is him. That's him right there, alright? So, hey. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, my bad. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This meet is lit. We got hella people here. Alright, hella people. That sounds good, too. No, that thing stings, boy. We get him on the channel for sure. Y'all, look at this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all. Hood exhaust.
That nigga got, hey, y'all see the shit? Shit fucking out the top of the
Exhaust. He's bagged. Big old wang. He's got the big old wang on it. And he's a munch. Y'all, this is a W.
The Holly High Ram intake. That's what that is. What you got? I need that one.
You ain't even the SS for real.
This is the SS. This is it.
You really not. Yeah. You got some other shit.
2 front splitters, 2 that is crazy.
Oh shit.
So it came like that, or you added it?
Oh, those are fucking C43.
Where you got the commands from? Amazon?
Shoot,
Yo.
You might get it from American
Racing. American Racing. How much is that?
If you're not next to what you're doing with your car.
Yeah, that's crazy. What is that little
poking out the top? Yeah, what is that?
Oh, that's the exhaust.
Oh, okay. What's that? This shit choo-choo. At least I'm bringing wood.
Priorities, get your priorities straight. Gotta get your priorities straight.
Shit hard too. I just don't got that.
No.
You got that big ass lean.
That's big, yeah.
You gotta make sure I'm known on
I know y'all right.
Not the top.
It look like y'all right.
I know what people do, like the seal front upper.
We got it.
I'm gonna try this. You know, like the part that's right in the middle, you get like the 2019 style. Right now. I like that one.
Could never find him, y'all. y'all. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Overall, this is a W meet. This is
Are they
a.
making a video?
This is. Now he. Oh y'all, we got people make TikTok. Nah, that's a girl. I'm not gonna lie, that's a girl. We got people making TikToks. That's a W win. That Camaro, and he just bought it too. Yeah, they're shooting a music video. One seat. One seat. Yeah. Yeah. I just realized too that we were supposed to have tacos at this meet. There are no tacos at this meet. Where are the tacos at the meet?
Over there.
Oh shoot, let's go get some tacos. Where they at? Like carnival. Impossible. Oh, tacos over here, y'all. Tacos. Alright, y'all, so hey, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. We just did a little quick walk around. Like I said, thank y'all so much for blowing up. 100 we had 100+ views for my Honda Civic 300 horsepower Honda Civic SI Racing Mustang. Thank y'all so much for that. Y'all make sure y'all blow up my Subaru WRX video. All right, thank y'all so much for the views. Thank y'all for subscribing. Everybody that watched this video, please make sure y'all subscribe. All right, that being said, we'll see y'all next video. Peace.
They say he had pockets swollen. You gotta show me the shit. Better say how.